Kuala Lumpur, where towering giants pierce the sky and ancient echoes whisper in hidden caves. This city offers more than just modern marvels. Will you conquer the world's tallest twins or explore a cave temple adorned with golden statues? Join me on an unforgettable adventure to Kuala Lumpur, where history meets modernity and delicious flavors tantalize your taste buds. Petronas Twin Towers. Ascend to the top of the Petronas Twin Towers, once the world's tallest twin towers, and witness a panoramic view of the entire city that will leave you speechless. Imagine standing on the skybridge, a breathtaking feat of engineering connecting the two towers, and feeling like you're on top of the world. This is a must-do for any visitor seeking a truly unforgettable experience. KL Tower. Embark on a thrilling cable car ride up KL Tower, offering stunning 360-degree views of the city skyline. Imagine yourself standing on the observation deck, taking in the panoramic vista that stretches out before you. This is a perfect way to get a sense of Kuala Lumpur's vastness and diverse landscape. Sultan Abdul Samad Building. Step back in time and admire the architectural marvel of the Sultan Abdul Samad Building, a masterpiece of Moorish and Mughal design. Imagine yourself surrounded by the intricate details and historical significance of this iconic landmark. This building is a must-see for history and architecture buffs. Bukit Bintang. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur's premier entertainment district. Imagine yourself exploring bustling streets lined with shopping malls, trendy bars, delicious restaurants, and lively street performances. This area comes alive at night, offering endless possibilities for entertainment and nightlife enthusiasts. Kuala Lumpur, a city that pulsates with modern energy, whispers tales of the past, and offers a feast for the senses. You've experienced just a taste of what Kuala Lumpur has to offer, from awe-inspiring skyscrapers to ancient cave temples and vibrant cultural experiences.